Hey guys, what is going on? This is Eric from StilyoApps, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to merge orders in Shopify. Now, why would you even want to do that? Sometimes customers place orders one after another directly, and eventually you're going to ship it out in two different packages, pay double for shipping, and the customer is going to get a horrible customer experience. What if you could actually merge these orders together, ship them together, save a lot of money on shipping, and refund this excess shipping fee for the customer and provide an awesome customer experience? Alright, let's just jump into the video and I'll show you how to get it done.
In today's video, we're going to go over the automatic merge page in Order Merger and explain all the parts in this page. So in order to get there, let's start by heading over to the apps section in Shopify and then just head over to Order Merger. From the dashboard, head over to Automatic Merge. Now let's break down this page. It all starts with the merging rules. These are the rules that we check every time an order comes in to see if two orders are eligible for a merge. By default, customer IDs must be identical and the shipping address of both orders must be identical. Otherwise, two orders will not be eligible for a merge. Now, you can't add and/or conditions to these rules if you have more specific needs, and the parameters you can choose from are time since last customer orders, past order fulfillment status, order financial status, shipping address, shipping carrier, order tag, customer tag, and all products available at location. We recommend set up the past order fulfillment status as unfulfilled because you do want to make sure that both orders are unfulfilled so you can merge these orders and fulfill them together. The second part of the automatic merge page is the merge delay time. And this is the part where you choose how long after an order comes in we're going to check if it's eligible for a merge. And the reason for that is we know that there are many automations running on an order right after an order comes in, making some changes to the order. And since we don't want to have any conflicts with that, we just allow you to add a delay after an order comes in. By default, it's set to 10 seconds and I'm just going to keep it that way. The third part of the automatic merge page is the conflict handling. And this is where you choose how you want to handle a case when two orders are eligible for a merge, but there are still some conflicts going on. Let's say that you have order 1 and order 2 and you merge them into order 3. Sometimes order 1 and order 2 going to have some different details between one another, and this is the part where you can choose where you want to take the properties of each field in Shopify. Let's start by the shipping rate to keep. You can choose from each order you want to keep the shipping rate. You can either do it from the older order, the recent order, the cheapest shipping rate, the most expensive shipping rate, or just combine the shipping rates. Now you can also choose to refund any shipping rate that is not used in the merge order and give it to the customer and provide a better customer experience. This is not a must and I'm just going to keep it unchecked. Another option you have is to refund all the shipping rates from all the merge orders if the total of the two merge orders is greater than a specific amount. So let's set it up for $100, and then if the customer places two orders of $80, in total it's going to be $160, and we're going to refund shipping rates from both orders. And this is great in case you offer, let's say, free shipping over $100 and then the customer places two orders one after another. So you do want to refund that shipping rate. I'm just going to keep it unchecked for this moment. The next option would be the new order shipping method name, and again you can choose any one of these options. Next step would be the order tags. You can choose what you want to do in case order tags exists. I'm just going to keep it at keep all order tags. Next thing would be what to do when there are refunded items in one of the orders. So again, you can choose to either keep it as a refunded item or you can choose to discard it. It's completely up to you. There are multiple options here. I'm just going to keep it as discard refunded items. Next step would be to control the order name. Now this one is pretty important. You can choose a custom name, and this is where you can really do whatever you want with the order name. There are some dynamics tags here. You can do order merger dash most recent order name. So this is something you can do, and there's a preview here of what it's going to look like. Another option would be to just combine the merged order names. So let's say that you have 1001 and 1003 is just going to be merged that way. Another option would be to just keep order name in ascending order. So if you have 1001 and 1003, the next order would be just 1004. I'm just going to keep it that way for now. The next two fields are the order tax name and the order discount name. Again, here you can do everything you want from a custom name or just add dynamic tags. In this case, I'm just going to use the original tax names and the original discount names. And then when any other conflict occurs, you can choose from which order you want to take these conflicts. The final part of the automatic merge page is order actions, and this is where you can perform specific actions on the original orders and to the new merged order. Let's start with the new orders. You can add order tags to the merged order, and let me show you what it looks like. When you enable order tagging, you can either add a custom tag by writing everything you want and just add a comma. You can add multiple tags. Another option would be to just any of these dynamic tags. So for example, you can add the new order ID, you can add the new order name, etc. I'm just going to disable this for now. Another option would be order notes. You can add order notes to the original order, and again, you can use anything custom or use any of these dynamic tags. I'll just give you an example: merged from, and then the original order names on merge date. This way is going to be very easy for you from the new merged order to find the original orders. And then the last option would be the order financial status. This option will allow you to set the new merged order to 0 revenue. And this is very important because if you do that, it's not going to mess up your analytics. Shopify doesn't allow you to create a new order without including it into the total revenue generated in the store. So we've added this option to set up the new order to 0 in order to keep your analytics safe. Moving on to the original orders, you have pretty much the same options. Now, I'm just going to ignore order tagging for now. As for order notes, I'm going to add a similar note to the one I added in the new order, and we can do merged to new order name on merge date. And again, this way it's going to be easier for me when I reach the original orders. It's going to be easier for me to find the new merged order. Another two options that we highly recommend doing is archive the original orders and cancel the original orders. And this is great because it's just going to close these original orders so that you don't accidentally fulfill them or take any actions on them. It's important to mention that whenever we cancel the original orders, we do not perform any type of a refund. The final option you got is to restock items on order canceling. This is something I'm just going to keep unchecked. The final thing you need to remember that every time you make any change to the automatic merge page, it's not going to be saved unless you click the save button. So let's just click save. And this is it. This is everything you need to know about the automatic merge page.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You now know how to merge orders in Shopify and provide an awesome customer experience. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you know whenever I release new videos. If you have any questions, just make sure to comment them in the comment section below and we will make sure to answer each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next video.